tour. I'm sure you clicked on this video because it is my empty apartment tour video. So I have a few things to catch you guys up on. I know the last video I put out was my laundry motivation video, and that was in the previous apartment. So we are now living in our 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. So if you've been following me for a while, about 4 years ago, I posted my official home tour video. It was when we were living in our 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. And we sold it about a year and a half ago and then moved into a 2-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. And so we downsized a ton whenever we moved into that apartment. And now we have moved into a 3-bedroom, 2-bath apartment. So honestly, we just felt like it was just getting too small. We were on top of each other. We just felt like we needed a new space, new atmosphere. So we are actually in the same apartment complex, which means that all of the design is pretty much similar. We were on the first floor in the previous apartment. It has black cemented floors. I really liked the floors at first, but then I started to realize it kept the space really dark, even if we would open the blinds and stuff. And I'm just the type of person that love like the natural light, especially like in the wintertime. And in the tour, you'll see that in the bedrooms we actually have carpet now, and then in the, of course, the living room and the bathrooms we have like a brown laminate. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. But yeah, so I'm excited to show you guys this tour. I do want to make a disclaimer. The lighting was pretty bad in the apartment tour video that you guys are about to see. Just know that the lighting will not stay like that. It was just one of those things that I just wanted to get the tour over and done with before we moved everything in. So if you are new here, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel. I post on cleaning, organizing, any type of motivation to get something done. This is definitely the channel for you, and I would love for you to subscribe. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into the apartment tour. guys again for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed the apartment tour. Like I said, we went from a 2-bedroom to a 3-bedroom, so we have a ton of more space that we are really loving. And the next video I'll put out will be my cleaning motivation video, the first time in the house. So that'll be a lot of motivation coming your way. And I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.